How do I start learning to edit videos? Here are a few ways to start learning to edit videos. 1. Take a class. Community colleges and adult education centers often offer video editing classes. 1. These classes can range from beginner to advanced, and can cover topics such as editing software, storytelling, and color correction. 2. Online tutorials and resources. Websites like YouTube, Udemy, and Skillshare offer a wide variety of video editing tutorials. 2. Some are free, while others are paid. 2. Websites such as Vimeo and other video hosting platforms also offer educational resources and tutorials. 3. Books. Video editing books can provide a wealth of information on various editing techniques and software. 4. Practice. The best way to improve your video editing skills is to practice regularly. 4. Experiment with different software and techniques to find your own style. 5. Join a video editing community. Joining a video editing community, whether it be online or in person, can be a great way to get feedback on your work and to learn from other editors. 6. Start with basic software. Start with software that is easy to use and understand, such as iMovie, Lightworks, Shotcut, etc. 6. Once you are comfortable with these basic software, you can move on to more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Avid Media Composer. Ultimately, learning video editing takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't come easily at first. Keep learning and experimenting, and you'll improve over time.